Hi, this is Deva Edelman with Century 21 Award Realty, and we're standing in front of our new listing, 117 Españas Glen in Escondido. This is a great complex, the Villa Españas townhomes. There are 2 pools and a hot tub here, as well as a fantastic location right off Broadway in Escondido, right near Highway 78, also near shopping. We've got a great 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome here, so let's go on inside and have a look. So we're going to walk right into the living room here. So we're here in the living room, and we've got awesome laminate flooring, which is easy to care for and very durable. This place has ceiling fans in almost every room. And also I should mention the parking space right out front, which is very convenient, as well as a 1-car garage that has plenty of room for a car and storage. Let's go on through this way and have a look at the kitchen and dining room. This is a great kitchen. It's been fully remodeled. You've got updated quartz countertops, updated cabinets, updated appliances, fantastic stainless steel sink with integrated cutting board and drying rack, and LED lighting. So we've got a storage pantry right here. You've got a half bathroom right here. And the laundry is right here. This is a fantastic little laundry closet with a laundry chute from upstairs. And then you've got this awesome dining room with the same laminate flooring that you have in the living room. And the back patio out this way. All right, let's go on out here and check out the back patio. You've got a mature loquat tree out here, a sitting area, space for you to barbecue. You can see the newer air conditioning unit out here. Just a really great space to sit and relax and enjoy the shade. So let's go check out the upstairs. You've got newer carpeting here, which is in fantastic condition. So both bedrooms are up here in addition to 2 full bathrooms, and you also have the half bath downstairs. So you've got a really great master bedroom here. It's really spacious. You've got a huge closet, ceiling fan, and plenty of light coming in. They've got the newer carpets in here as well. So let's go check out the master bathroom. It's been fully remodeled. You've got new lighting fixtures, the matching quartz countertops to the kitchen, as well as the same cabinetry that you have in the kitchen. So let's go down the hall and check out the second bedroom. This bedroom also has a full bathroom in it. This second bedroom is awesome. You have really high ceilings in here, which makes it feel nice and open and light and bright. So one of the things that this townhome has no shortage of is storage. You've got a giant closet in both bedrooms, and then you've got this storage space right in here, which is even more storage for you, as well as the 1-car garage that has plenty of room to store things and your car. So there's a full bathroom right inside this bedroom, and that one's been remodeled as well with the same cabinets and countertops that you have in the other bathrooms and the kitchen. Thanks for coming with us on this tour of 117 Españas Glen. If you'd like any more information or have any questions, please send us a message or give us a call.